Have you felt extremely exhausted? You must have. But what if this exhaustion is affecting your daily life activities? And you're wondering, what exactly is wrong with your body? Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sayyid Raza Hussain and welcome to my channel Medical Freak. Today we will discuss myasthenia gravis. Myasthenia gravis is an autoimmune disease which causes varying degree of fatigable muscle weakness with diurnal variation. By diurnal variation, I mean the muscle weakness will worsen as the day progresses, less in the morning, more at night. This disease affects muscles of the eye, face, swallowing, limbs, and muscles which help in breathing. This disease will result in double vision, difficulty in walking, talking, swallowing, and in few cases, difficulty in breathing. Doctor will do complete physical examination and various tests to diagnose this myasthenia gravis. Myasthenia gravis is treated through medicines and surgery. If you have liked this video, kindly share with others and subscribe Medical Freak. Thanks for watching. Take care.